Hi everybody, welcome to SWMBO. Today I'm making Cooper's Mexican Cerveza, which I believe is Mexican for beer, because it is stinking hot here, and when it's stinking hot my girlfriend likes to drink this Corona, which is light Corona. I don't like it much myself, but here we go, here's the weather thing. It's like 7 PM, I don't know if you can read it, but it's still 44 degrees outside. In fact, yeah, that's the tap water. The tap water is coming out at 36 degrees. That's after I run it. We actually had this is the worst bit. This is the old fridge. It died. It couldn't handle the heat. It was a world record personal best for Adelaide today. Luckily, the freezer kicked in and my Viking beer that's fermenting is okay, but that's the end of the line for the poor old fridge. But anyway, yeah, we set up an Adelaide best world record for hottest day, over 46, which is 115 for those using the minority scale. And yeah, anyway, okay, I'm a little bit behind. I'm making the Cooper's Mexican Cerveza with just 500 grams of light dry malt. And here I am sanitizing and cleaning up, doing the old soft shoes shuffle, Mr. Bojangles style, because I spilled a lot of sanitizer on the floor. But anyway, okay, I've caught up. Here we go. That's the yeast. This is the Cerveza kit. I'm just taking the it's hard to get the knife, and no chop's no good, so let's keys unlock everything. There we go. Okay, I got into it with my keys. That was too hard. That didn't need to be that hard. Yeah, those are the instructions, but I don't need the instructions. So hot tap or cold tap? I think I'll just use the hot tap for old time's sake, but it doesn't matter today because it's stupidly hot. But anyway, here we go. I'm softening this up to make it easier to pour. Okay, so have a bit of a drink. This is my light dry malt. I like to pull out the corners before I chop it up and stick it in the old fermenter there. So there we go. And so this is going to result in like as I'm just pulling everything out, like a sort of a mid-strength beer. It's a kit and half a kilo this time around. So that's half a kilo of light dry malt. This is some formerly boiling water, and I'm just going to swirl it around. That dissolves it quite nicely. There we go. Everybody's happy. That's nice and dissolved. And boy, it is hot, and boy, am I thirsty. This is, I think, one of my Oktoberfests that's been around for a while. Anyway, what do I do now? Okay. Yep, time to take the top off the old kit. Oh, it's got dark outside already. I must have been wasting time doing something. But anyway, still hot. Had trouble sleeping this night. It was bloody hot. That's all I can say. Like, I don't think it dropped below 35 at night. But anyway, so now the hot water goes into the thingy, and I'm giving it a stir. This will clean up the can nicely. So there's a bit of hot going in, and I'll scrape it around, get rid of the last little bits, and then, ow! That's ridiculous. Don't touch the can after you've put hot water in it. And now it's nice and clean, so all good. But yeah, make sure you use a tea towel when you're doing that, or else you will need new fingerprints because your old ones will be melted. Okay, this is a frozen bag of water that I smartly put in the morning, and nice and frozen and cold because I knew that I was going to be dealing with temperature issues, and there's a big icicle hanging out of it. So yeah, that's all good. That goes in there. Okay, now waiting for the tap water in the laundry to cool down. It's almost too hot to touch, and I got there in the end. And 21 litres of this. So this is a kit, a half a kilo of light dry malt, and 21 litres. And in it goes. This is the yeast. This is, I think, actually a mixture of, as I'm just giving it a stir, I think this one's a hybrid ale/lager yeast. So I don't know exactly what's going on there, but that's all good. I don't need to know because this is just a kit and kilo. Who gives a crap anyway? So there we go. Oh, good. And now what's the last thing? Oh, yep, into the new freezer. Luckily, everything fit in the freezer really well after the poor old fridge died, so I've got everything hooked up. There's a brick going in to keep the heat belt that I'm sure I won't need off of the thing. There's a Mexican beer. Should I build more of a wall? Nah, I'll just leave that for now. Maybe for another 3 weeks. And there we go. We're all done. Oh, good. All right. Well, thanks for watching the video. There's a fridge in the freezer. I don't really like this beer. I think it's a bit boring, but hopefully the other half likes it. And we're all good. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.